Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a drop-down menu to your top navigation on your Squarespace website. If you're building a website on Squarespace and you haven't already got a copy of my Squarespace website checklist, I will leave a link in the description box below. It's completely free to download and it goes through all the steps that you need to tick off before you launch. So adding a drop down to your navigation menu here in the top is a really nice way to add multiple pages to your navigation menu, but keep things looking organized and without overwhelming the limited space that we have up here. So in a previous video, I showed you how you can add pages and link them up into this navigation menu. If you haven't watched that video already, I will leave a link to it in the description box below. But today we are going to add a drop-down menu here. An example of where you might want to do this is if you have multiple services, but you want a separate sales page for each service, you could just have a drop-down menu that's headed services, and then when you click on it, you get your three options for your various services. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm here in the back end of the website and I want to navigate over to where it says pages over here on the left-hand side. And we want this drop down to appear in the main navigation. So just next to where it says main navigation here, if you click on the plus icon and scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see an option here for drop down. So just click on that and you'll see the new drop down appear over here. And you can give it a name. So we want to call ours services and click enter. So that's our services now added, and you can see it's appeared here in the main navigation. And we want to add our separate pages into that. So just click on here where it says add page, add a blank page, and we are going to call this one service 1. You would obviously name it a relevant name to whatever your services are, and say we call this one coaching, and then we have one more service, and this will be service 3. So there we go. We have our 3 services added. We just want to go in and check the settings now for the drop down and for each page, just to make sure that we're happy with how Squarespace has set them up, and we can obviously change anything that we need to. So if we click on the cog icon next to the services drop down, and this all looks good, page title, navigation title. So this is really important. This is what will appear just here. So you can name it services, or you can name it whatever is relevant to your specific business. And the URL slug is services. Nice and simple and exactly what we want. So we're happy with that. We click save, and we just want to go in and do the same for each of these 3. So if we just click on the cog next to service 1, page title service 1, navigation title service 1, URL slug service -1. Excellent. That's exactly what we want. Click close. Same for coaching. This looks good. Coaching, coaching, coaching. Good. And we'll just do the same for service 3. It's really, really good practice to go in and check your settings before you publish your website or before you let this go live, just in case something isn't quite right here. But this has all been set up correctly, so I'm happy with that. We'll click close, and I'll just show you how this actually now plays out on the website. So if we click out of here and click on this arrow on the top right hand corner, this will take us into a website preview. And if we click on the logo, firstly, we'll go to the home page and we have services first of all. And if I just hover over it, you can see the drop down now appears. I've got service 1, coaching, and service 3. And if I were to click on any of these pages, let's just click on service 1, it will take us to that page. It is a blank page. I selected a blank page, so there's no content on it currently, but you can see that's how it would play out actually on a live website. If we come out of the preview, I'm just going to show you what it looks like on mobile as well. So if we toggle over to the mobile icon in the top right hand corner, this is how our website looks on a mobile screen. And if we click on the menu, you can see just here, this is our drop down, and you can see it's got an arrow next to it. So that's how we know there's further options if we click on that. So if we click on the services, here we have our service 1, our coaching, and our service 3. And if we were to click on one of these, it would take us to the relevant page. So that's how it looks on mobile, nice and smart. The only other thing I wanted to show you was how to reorder this. So you might not want services to appear first. So if that's the case, navigate back to pages and you can just click and hold where it says services and drag it down to where you might want it to appear. So say you wanted it after your about page, just click and drag it down, go back to preview, and you can see now that we have our about page first, then services, and then the other pages that we've got set up on our website. So that's it. That's how you add a drop-down menu to your navigation on your website. So that's it for how to add a drop-down to your navigation menu on Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any further Squarespace tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.